And so if you remember last time I launched that MySQL Workbench, when be this one, when you see for yes, so MySQL Workbench. And if you remember again, when I shift come here, you will see say what will they work with now the command line on. Remember I tell you say we get command line on, and then we also get the graphical user interface where we say it would allow also the like click that one a drag and like click drag and drop thing, you understand. So based on the name GUI, graphical user interface, now they allow you to see maybe images or pictures or whatever thing you could click, you get me. Unlike this one, we say you could write the thing for the command line, you could write the code. So instead of you to write, say maybe you want create database, now you can't write and for here say create database. Now for this one, sorry, okay, for this one now just this thing, all these icons now if you click them, now be this MySQL Workbench, that is the graphical user interface, the see, so you just see them, they click them. So now so this one just be, so you see this thing at the menu, them the file and other drop down when full edit, view, query, database, connect, server to scripting and the rest of them. And if you see I don't they connected it already to Chimes connection, that is like if you open and newly for the first time, you can't create connection if you want, you get me. Now I don't connect already, and this is the host defaults and then the port and the rest of them. Login user root, now if you remember that one without password, so root at localhost. So now the thing, so I will just show us. So you see here now this one administration. So all this one has to do with administration, as you see here, management, and under you can see server status, client connections, user and privileges. All these ones will feel explode and share as time goes on. And then instance, performance, and the rest of them. Then you can't get schema. So here now you get the database then. So if you see now, you see that ABCD, ABCDB. Ma, where this thing there? Okay, yeah, see for here. Now be this. So now that database, now you see for here, and you see this SYS when they here. You get me? So and inside this database now we get different tables. Remember, if I come here now, when I come show the tables, then when they inside we get employees and their job table for inside. Now be this. You get me? So if you come here now, come click here now, you see see the employees, see the job table, and then this one are the employees, and the columns then which is the fees, then you see them, a job ID, job title. So now them they here indexes, foreign keys and triggers and the rest of them. We'll see all these things share as we progress. And then we still get for inside the tab, we get what they call views, we get what they call stored procedures, we get what they call functions. We'll still tackle all this one share as we move forward. So this I just want to make you see how the whole thing they run. So now one way I do that time for, like, I tell you for that person, and then if you see say for job now, you say select all from ABCD, this is the database, then dot job, you see them now. So this one now based on make I say that zoom this thing. Okay, no give the zoom safe with commands plus okay, my ignorant fair shout, maybe I feel later figure out. So now this one and the command maybe say you go use to display everything, and it go show for this place, because you see an action output, the action when you perform. And then so this not job, this one are employees, select count, go see all these things sha. And I believe say maybe after all this stress I will maybe run some of those these things, different distinct queries and all that commands them for these two tables, because they're everyday related safe. We'll still get to that point as well. So this one are for job and this one are for employees. And if you remember for this one now, you just do select all from this thing, like here now, select all from the table name. But if you look this one now, you see say they carry the database name and then dot the employees, which is the table name, dot the table name. Now based on the way that they run this MySQL Workbench. And so the work that is the insistence of them, and some other ones still get the way then their own see the be share. So no long thing. Anyhow, I shall make I just run this one fast like this. Just come here. As you see this thing, I can say the end. They give thing that they do. If you hover on them, you go tell you what thing they do. Like this one, this thing a save button. Okay, see, and I save the script to a file. You get them, then other ones. So if you just hover on and just stay for a moment, you see and toggle whether execution of SQL script should continue after failed statement. So that way you can know what you do. Like this one now, I just select and I just click this thing now. You see now, it don't run the command for us. It don't give us the output. So now you have to say the output window. So you don't tell us see what you don't do. And see the time, the action we say is select all from this database though the employees limit them by 0, as in that is 300, and the response we say now 49 rows, 9 return, so now 49 record day here now. As in 49 rows, I've been at 57. No share. I should say now 49 in total, because what you tell us now 49 rows in total. So and this limit to 300 here. Okay, 9 be waiting there. So based on what I limit them. So if you come now, maybe 50 or 100. So now I can show for the we can run them again. Share. You see, and I don't show 100. So you see the whole this thing now. If you see here, see the column name, first name, last name, email, phone number, employee ID, salary, commission, PCT, manager ID, and the rest of them. You get me? So the same thing itself they applicable to this job on. If I just come here now, click on it, you see I'm now, you don't still return the same thing when we see we get for here. So see this one when they here, so you see I'm seeing the same thing they show for here. So no long thing at the same thing they happen for this place. Which other thing again? And then if we want to create database safe, we will still fee create database, which is if you look here now, if I click here now, you see now I don't want to create new database. I just call and say street school. You get me? So like this now, we don't want to create. I can't come here, can't click apply to be applied database. See now, create schema, then street school, the name of farm, the name. Like this now, we don't create database. See I'm now, and you don't get any table. You see I say they empty. So this one they very easy safe. If you from here now, you see now create table. You just click on it. But like this license don't they go, just give them name, maybe say student list, or maybe more say student. Okay, I just put on student list. You get me? Like this now don't they create table. You see now data type for here based on int, say ID. You can't they want put a colon name now. You see now maybe say ID and all that. You get me? Then you, if you want make a primary key, if you want make it they unique, null or not null. You see now like this now you don't create table. If you click here and I see now table, see the name of the table and see the only column might be ID when they inside. You get me? So you see the thing they very easy. And if they see here the output they show say see what we don't do and all that, we will still delete them. But before I delete this street school, so that we will still run them for the command line, so that it will be easy. You get me? We will still run all this thing based on this graphical area or say via this MySQL Workbench. But or not do I would like me to run through the route of the command line first. You get me? We will write the codes so that we will still sabi the thing wella and all that. Come here now. Screw, let's say describe see. Now show databases now. Say and show databases. So you see an A, B, C, D and all that. So I want to show databases again for here. Make we see whether we go see that new this thing, which they call am that street school database wey we create. So oh, see am now, see say e don show for here. So if we still drop this database, I'll be delete am. So if I come now, see I wan come, see na drop schema. So now I don't drop am, mean say I dey delete am, you get me? So if I come back now, wetin happen? Oh, okay. The thing sef don automatically, I just forget say I don run, e get what I take connect. So the thing don dey, if dey connect, it already show say the thing don already like clean am automatically sef, because I don delete am because the thing dey connected, you get me? So they try reconnect, you see am now, it already comot am for here. So now wetin I just say make I just show us, and for the next this thing we will come move to setting command. But before then I just even add this same thing here onto say how to create some safe for this command line. So now just to write this command create, we just put database, then the name of the database which you want column. So I say street school now. Sure, you get me? Now I don't call them street school, so now the name of the database. So if you just hit them now like this, see now query okay, one row affected, so automatically now we don't create them. Now if I can't say show databases, see them now, it don't appear for here, you get me? So yeah, that's our graphical. I need to refresh this thing. Okay, so see am now, see say don't appear. So now the thing very simple. So very simple. So now here we will end this class. So for the next one now, I'll come start to the create setting command, you get me, which has to do with say make we can create table for inside, just like what I did one for that graphical user interface part, so which is the workbench. I mean this workbench, man, I always go this thing here. So I will create this table. The table when I create that time, I can't do through this place. Now I will stay run them for us. So all the same, I will see you for the next lesson. But before then, try run this command for your own system, make you see the thing they work. You get me? So that, because now the more you do them, the more you sabi the thing, and the more the thing they enter for you. So now, so thank you, and see you for the next lesson.